Round 16, last chain 1 and slip stitch in first double crochet 1 2 3 in 3 chain. We make a slip stitch here. Round 17, 4 chain, count as first double crochet, chain 1 1 2 3 4, a double crochet, top of next, we make here 1, next one, top of next, chain 1, 3 double crochet here, top of middle of this pattern, plus chain 1 1 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet here, chain 1, a double crochet, top of next, chain 1, a double crochet, top of next and chain 1, this pattern like this. Now we want to make 2 double crochet cluster here, first one here, second double crochet around 2 these loops, now 3 loops on the hook, cluster, another cluster into 2 next, a double crochet into 2 loops, another one around this and cluster, chain 1, a double crochet, top of next, chain 1, a double crochet, top of next, chain 1, 3 double crochet, top of this, plus chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, second, chain 1 and 3, chain 1, another double crochet, top of next, chain 1, another double crochet, top of next, chain 1. Now repeat this pattern. We want to make cluster here and here and continue this pattern, and it's look like this, and I come back here. For close round 17, we make a slip stitch in very first double crochet, 1 2 3 and slip stitch here, and round 80, 3 chain, count as first double crochet, a double crochet into 1 chain space, a double crochet, top of next double crochet, a double crochet into 1 chain space, a double crochet, top of next double crochet, a double crochet into 1 chain space, and here middle of this pattern we make 3 double crochet, top of this double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Now 1 double crochet into 1 chain space, another top of this, 1 double crochet into 1 chain space, another one top of this, a double crochet into 1 chain space, a double crochet top of next double crochet like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 3 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 double crochet here. Now chain 1, 2 double crochet, cluster top of this 2 cluster, into 2 loops we make 1 double crochet, another double crochet into 2 loops of next, 3 loops on the hook and the cluster, chain 1, and we continue double crochet here, 15 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 top of this and 6. Now 3 double crochet middle of this pattern, top of this double crochet, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, chain 1 and continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here